In order to find the value of the limit, we first need to recognize that we're dealing with the limit of a function, f of x equals 1 over x plus 1 over 3, all divided by x cubed plus 27. Now we'd prefer to use direct substitution to solve this limit, but we can only do that if the function is continuous at the value the limit is approaching. And the problem is, if we plug x equals -3 into the denominator, we're going to get 0, which means we'd be dividing by 0, which means our function is not continuous at the value x equals -3. So we need to do a little algebra. We can begin by combining the two separate fractions 1 over x and 1 over 3 in our numerator into a single fraction by using the common denominator 3x. That's going to give us 3 plus x over 3x, and then all of that over x cubed plus 27. If we drop the 3x into the denominator, we'll be left with 3 plus x in the numerator, and then 3x multiplied by x cubed plus 27 in the denominator. We can now factor out the denominator. That'll give us 3x times x plus 3 times x squared minus 3x plus 9. And in the numerator, we were still going to have 3 plus x. Now x plus 3 and 3 plus x are equivalent, so we can cancel them out. And that's going to leave us with this abridged version of our function, which is 3x times x squared minus 3x plus 9 in the denominator, and just 1 in the numerator. And now we can look at the limit as x approaches -3 of this function. Now the reason we went to all this trouble of factoring and canceling is because now our abridged function is defined at x equals -3, so now we can use direct substitution to find the value of the limit. So if we plug -3 in everywhere we see x, and we clean up our denominator a bit, we're going to end up with 1 over -9 times 9 plus 9 plus 9. And if we work that math out, we'll have our final answer, which is that the value of the limit is -1 over 243.